Look at this. Look how deep the snow is. Literally. Literally. Look how high up. Look at the bushes. Oh, oh my God, it's impossible to go anywhere. Oh, look at this. Holy cow. Icicles. This has been some winter as we are pelted with the second storm of the year with over a foot of snow, and this was a monster compared to the other one. This has dumped nearly 2 feet of snow, and we had blizzard conditions. Ah, look at this. Totally crazy. Concerned for some of the roofs of some of these. Look at the. Oh God, that's not good with that amount of snow on the roof. Oh, this is. Oh wow. Oh. Oh.